With Release 147, Google Chrome introduced a new requirement. Users must explicitly allow connections from the browser to locally installed applications and services. This affects the connection between the user's browser and the locally installed CodeMeter Runtime, which is required for direct license activation into a CM dongle or CMAC license via WebDepot or CodeMeter license portal. The same security behavior applies to Chromium-based browsers, including Brave. Other browsers are expected to introduce similar prompts as well. In this video, we focus on Brave. If you want to activate a license directly or perform an auto-update with a connected CM container and you are being automatically redirected to the file-based license transfer page, you can switch manually to the direct license transfer. If this page shows an error, first check whether access to apps on device is blocked in the browser settings. If it is blocked, change the setting to allowed and refresh the page. This enables Brave to establish the required local connection with CodeMeter Runtime. If it is still not working, check that the CodeMeter Runtime is running and your antivirus does not block the connection. If this is the first time you open the CodeMeter license portal page after this browser security change has been introduced, Brave will ask whether the website is allowed to access other apps and services on your device. Select Allow. This grants the required permission and allows CodeMeter license portal to communicate with the locally installed CodeMeter Runtime. If the setting was blocked by mistake, you can correct it later in the browser's site settings as seen before. If the connection still cannot be established, please contact our support team for additional guidance.